Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for all you content creators and marketers out there. Have you ever wished there was a tool that made creating SEO-optimized content a breeze? Well, say hello to Frase, the best SEO content optimization tool and AI writer on the market. Frase is designed to help you create amazing, well-researched articles from start to finish. Imagine having one platform where you can research, write, and optimize your content without jumping between different tools. Sounds awesome, right? Let's dive into some of Frase's coolest features. First up, unified content creation. This means you can do everything in one place. No more juggling between different apps or tabs. You start with keyword research, then move on to writing and optimizing your article, all within Frase. Next, there are templates and SOPs. These are like your secret weapons. You can use ready-made templates for writing content briefs or even save your own custom AI prompts. This makes your content creation process super smooth and repeatable. Frase also integrates seamlessly with tools you probably already use, like Google Docs and WordPress. So, you can optimize your content right where you write it. How cool is that? One of my favorite features is the folders. You can organize your documents by topics, clients, or projects. This keeps everything neat and easy to find. Now, let's talk about team collaboration. If you work with a team, you can assign documents to different writers and easily track who's working on what. This makes working together a lot easier and more efficient. And last but not least, Frase offers project management. You can keep an eye on the progress of each document to make sure everything gets done on time. Alright, here's a strong point I want to highlight: the efficiency. Frase seriously speeds up the whole process of creating content, from researching keywords to publishing your article. This can save you tons of time. Imagine using that extra time to focus on other important tasks or even taking a well-deserved break. So, if you're looking to level up your content game and produce standout articles that break through the noise, I highly recommend giving Frase a try. Trust me, it's a game changer. You can find a link to get access to Frase in the description below. Go check it out and start creating amazing content today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content like this.